Hi guys, good morning. I literally just popped a zit on my forehead, so don't mind that. But today's Sunday. It's like 9:30. Raz is coming over and we're gonna like go on a walk. And I'm really craving McDonald's breakfast, so I might ask him to take me there. I don't know, but oh god, I hate my nose. Literally when I yawn or even when I just like talk, you guys can see up my nose. You can literally see my brain, but it's okay. I'm gonna love myself. I don't need a nose job. Yeah, and yeah, I really don't have much plans for today, but I'll still take you with me. There we go. Hey guys. So Rose is here. Anyway, so first we actually just went to this pool supply store because oh my god, having a pool is so much maintenance and my pool is not even that big and it's stressful. Anyways, so I came here to get my pool water tested and they said we need alkaline and pool shock. So I just bought some alkaline and we're gonna put it in the pool to make sure it's swimmable. I don't even know if you can see me, but we spent 20 minutes trying to get breakfast. We went to McDonald's first because I really wanted to try their hash brown. I never tried it. They weren't making them anymore. So then we went to Dunkin' to get hash browns and I ordered Starbucks. So we're at Starbucks now. Today's literally just an errand day. We're going to Walmart after this. And then what else are we doing? I have to go to someone's house to help them with something. And then at night I may hang out with my friends. And yeah. Oh, so good. Oh fuck. So I went unhealthy with the hash browns, but I got like a healthy sandwich from Starbucks. You gotta have a balance, you know. So yummy. So very yummy. Every time. I wasn't kidding. Every time we come to Walmart. Hey guys, what's up? Wow, I see this in the beginning of everything. Hello everyone. Today's actually starts. Wait, is it? I don't even know what or how I'm separating my vlog footage. I just have a lot of footage. So I don't know if this is the beginning or the middle. I don't know. Let's just go with the flow. But today is a beautiful day and today's also errand day. I'm just going to run a few errands today. I just wanted to vlog as well. Take you guys with me. I put on makeup today, so you know I had to vlog. And yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. So far I think right now I'm just gonna go to Starbucks and Staples because I have to fax something over to someone. I do have some work to do and then I also have some editing to do, but yeah, I just wanted to take you guys along with me because why not? She's so camera shy, I swear. Can I have a kissy? Can I have a kissy?
Find a comfortable seat.
Oh,
Sitting up nice and tall. On an inhale, breathe.
oh. Hey guys, good. Hey guys, so I just came back from running errands. I didn't really vlog. I basically just went to McDonald's to get coffee, bought my parents some nuggies, and then I went to Staples, and now I'm back home. I'm kind of hungry, but I don't want to get McDonald's just because I've been eating so, sorry, I've just been eating so bad lately, and as you can see, like I'm already breaking out because of all the junk I've been eating. So I don't want to get McDonald's again. I don't know what I'm gonna do for food. I think I might just get sushi later, but again, like I don't want to spend money because I've been spending mucho dinero on la comida. There's literally a mosquito here. Ew. I'm in my little closet room. I wanted to show you guys what I bought yesterday. I went to Macy's Backstage, and Macy's Backstage is like It's like a Nordstrom rack. It's basically discounted items that Macy's has sold in the past. And I made a conclusion that I love the boys section slash the men's section. So let me show you what I got. I got one thing for the men's section and one thing from the boys section. And as you can see, my style has changed. Like, I'm all about comfort right now. And yeah, so the first thing I got was this really cute Levi's long sleeve. I think it's supposed to be a t-shirt, but obviously on me it's a dress. So I would love to wear this with like a little pair of biker shorts underneath and just wear it as a dress. It's just so comfy, loose, love it. And this was only $9.98 for Levi's, so I love that. From the little boy section, I got this shirt just because I've always wanted a Nassau t-shirt, and so I got it. This is a size large, 14 to 16 for boys, but it looks like it'll fit me perfectly. Okay, so I also got 2 pairs of really cute shoes. I've been on a hunt for like some comfy casual sandals, and I saw these and I really liked them. I'm not sure what this brand is. It's the Kenzie brand, but it's just this regular sandal, and it's nude, so you could wear it with a lot of outfits. It's casual, you could dress this down, up, and I really liked it. It was only $19.99. And honestly, I don't have a lot of flat sandals because I used to be so into heeled sandals. Like, if you know me, I used to wear heels almost every day, but now I wear sneakers and basically any kind of flat shoe I can find. So I needed to get a flat sandal, which I'm glad I got. And then my second purchase is a random purchase. It's a pair of Tommy Hilfiger rain boots, and I know we're in the middle of July, but guys, these are so cute, and they were only $9.97, and they're so cute. I love them, so I can't wait to wear this when it gets colder in the fall. I just think it's so cute, and 10 bucks for Tommy Hilfiger, so I thought that was a great deal. I had to pick that up. And I also got 2 masks, and I just saw them by checkout, and I just wanted to pick up some masks because the only masks I have are the blue ones that everyone's wearing. And I thought, you know what, might as well have some cute masks to pair with a cute outfit. I just got this nude one, and I tried it on yesterday, but I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's way too big for my face, but that might be because I have a huge face. I mean, I have a small face. It literally like takes up my whole damn face. So I don't know how I feel about this one. It might be too big, I don't know. I also got a blue one. I didn't try it on. So let's by the way, this was I think $3.99 and this one is $2.99. I think I'm gonna like this one a lot better. Yes, much better. Yep, this one's a lot better because I feel like it doesn't take up my whole face. And yeah, I'm gonna go do some homework right now, and then I'll probably either make lunch or order lunch. I don't know, but I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so it's been a hot minute. I haven't vlogged in a while, but I decided to pick up the camera again because I'm going to try to make tacos today. Yeah, like I said before, when I went to Walmart, I bought so many ingredients to make tacos. So we're gonna try it today, and I'm gonna try to film it. It's a little, I have like really weird lighting for some reason. But for the first thing I'm gonna do is cut out my onions. I have my meats defrosting. I actually am going to make 3 different kinds of tacos. I'm going to do beef, chicken, and shrimp tacos. So that's why I have 4 onions here. I'm going to be cooking a lot of different meats. So I'm just going to chop them all up and keep them aside. And I'm also going to chop up a lot of this garlic. My onions and my garlic all cut. I'm going to cut the garlic more when I'm actually going to cook it because I don't want it to blend in with the onions. But now I'm going to start dicing the chicken and then marinating it. cut up all the chicken and now I'm gonna start to marinate it. I'm gonna go get my spices. So for the chicken tacos, I actually wanted to do like a chicken teriyaki style taco. So it's not gonna be like authentic traditional Mexican, but the beef and shrimp I am, but I wanted to try to do something different with the chicken. So the only marinades I'm going to use is sazon from Goya, and then I'm also going to use this Kiko Man teriyaki sauce. So I'm just going to marinate the chicken in that, and the sazon the sazon is salty enough that I don't have to add any extra salt right now, but when we're cooking I probably will have to. So let me open this up. I think I'm just gonna use one for now, just because the teriyaki also has salt. I don't want it to be too salty. So that's the sazon, and I'm just going to pour it in the chicken. I'm gonna pour the whole thing. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but okay. So I just poured up the whole thing of sazon in the chicken. And now I'm going to take the teriyaki and also marinate it in that. And I'm just going to mix it up with my hands. Obviously, I wash my hands. Alright, this is difficult. Give me a second. Ugh. Okay, now that I have the chicken beautifully marinated, I'm just going to take some lime juice and pour that in just so it adds a little tangy sensation. Ooh, this is really hard with one hand. And then I'm just going to stir it up again. Okay guys, so I got my little baby shrimp for the tacos and I'm going to marinate them. I washed them and they're already peeled. So like I said before, I'm going to try to make this more Mexican style. So for this seasoning, I'm going to use, oh, you can barely see me. But for this seasoning, I'm going to use this seasoning that I got from Walmart. This is the Taco Bell original taco seasoning mix. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in, and then I'm also going to put in another packet of sazon, but only a little bit, and a little bit of classic adobo. So I'm going to start off with the adobo. Oh shoot, what's next? So I'm just going to put a little bit because this is really salty, and then I'm going to put in like half a packet of the sazon. The other half I'm going to put in the beef. Ooh. I don't know if you can even see me doing this. And then I'm going to put in a lot of the beef, the Taco Bell seasoning. That smells good. Alright. Because I always have to add a kick, I'm going to add a little bit of Tabasco. Or like a lot. Then I'm going to give it a good stir and let that marinate. I'm making tacos. Okay, so I also want to make a side of rice and beans. This is the rice I'm using. This is the Goya yellow rice, Spanish style arroz amarillo. Okay, so I didn't film this, but I also cut up some carrots as thinly as I could and some jalapeños. The carrots are going to go in the Asian chicken tacos. And I'm going to put jalapeños in there as well, but the jalapeños are mostly for the shrimp. And yeah.